In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 freelancing platforms that you can use to make money online from anywhere you are in the world. So if you're someone that's been looking for the best freelancing platform that you could actually get started with to start making some extra cash for yourself, then this video is for you, because I'm actually going to be walking you through my best freelancing platform that I've actually used to make some cool cash for myself. The first freelancing platform that we're actually going to be looking at right here on my list is actually Design.io. So you could actually just head over to your Chrome browser and type in design.io.com. So once you actually type that in your Chrome browser, it's actually going to take you straight to this website. And you can see right here is how the interface of the website literally looks like. And one thing I love about this website is that brand can actually easily reach out to you right here. So all you need to do is to actually click on the right hand corner right here. So once you click on the right hand corner, just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, all you need to do is actually just enter your email address, enter your password. Then you're actually going to be clicking, you're actually a designer. So once you click on that right here, just click on you are not a robot. So once you click on you are not a robot right here, your account is actually going to be created. So they're going to actually send you an email verification to your email address. Just confirm your email. So once you're done confirming your email right here, then you could actually start set up your gig right here and start making some money for yourself. But if you know you want me to actually do a full video where I could actually walk you through on how you could actually set up your gigs right here, so all I need is to do is to go to the comment section right here and drop the comment. So once I see a lot of people commenting on that right here, I'm actually going to be creating a full video on Design.io. So the second platform that we're actually going to be looking at right here in this video is actually called Dribble, and you can see right here is how the interface of the website is. So you could actually post your job right here, and you could actually get clients that you could actually work with right here on this website. And you can see right here, all you need to do is to actually just click on the sign up button right here to actually create an account. You could actually just sign in using your email address. So once you sign in using your email address right here, you could actually just get started with Dribble right here, post your job, set up your gigs right here on Dribble, and you could start getting clients that are actually going to buy whatever service you're actually offering to them. So like I said earlier, if you know you want me to do a full video on any of the website that I just mentioned in the video, please make sure you go to the comment section and type in yes. So if I see a lot of people commenting on that, I'm actually going to be creating a full tutorial about each of this website. This is actually going to be moving me straight to the next website right here on our list, which is called LinkedIn. So I know a lot of you guys might be shocked that I actually mentioned LinkedIn, but yeah guys, LinkedIn is also like a freelance platform that you could actually get a lot of jobs. And one thing I love about LinkedIn is that there are a lot of opportunity right here on LinkedIn, and you could actually use LinkedIn to your advantage as a freelancer. All you need to do is to actually just set up a LinkedIn account by clicking on the join now button. So once you click on the join now button, you could actually register using your email address, or you could actually register using your phone number. You could actually also confirm your password, and also you could also sign in using your Gmail account if you know you want to go through that automatically. Once you're done creating your account, actually you could actually just set up your profile picture just like this. So you could actually state the kind of work you're actually offering. You could actually state some basic information about you, so that people that are willing to hire you could actually know what you are all about. Also, don't forget to actually put your contact information. It could actually be your WhatsApp number, your email address, so like any form of ways that people could actually use to actually contact you. And also, one thing I also love about LinkedIn is that you could actually also reach out to clients on LinkedIn, which is actually give you more advantage than other freelancing platform, because you could actually reach out to clients, to brands directly from LinkedIn, and you could actually get some response. So that's the reason why I had to include LinkedIn in the video, because it was actually LinkedIn that I was able to actually got my first job as a freelancer. So if you guys are actually dulling on LinkedIn, like guys, you guys are actually missing out on a lot of opportunities as a freelancer. And by the way guys, if you know you have found the video up so far, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and like I said earlier, if you want to ask me any question, feel free to go down to the comment section and drop your question, and I'm actually going to reply to all your questions. So the next platform right here on our list is actually called Topta. So you could actually head over to topta.com, and you can see right here is how the interface of the website is, and you could actually hire top talented freelancer right here on Topta. So this is a chance for you freelancers to actually come over to Topta right here, create an account for yourself, set up a gig for yourself right here. Or you just need to actually just apply as a freelancer. So once you actually click on apply as a freelancer, you could actually just create an account using your LinkedIn account. So if you actually have a LinkedIn account before, you could actually just sign in using your LinkedIn account, or you could actually just create an account manually. So just click on you are applying as a developer. You could also click on you're applying as a designer. So you could just like choose your profession. So you could just like click on that right here. So once you are done with that, all you need to do is to just fill out your first name, your email address, your password, confirm your password. Then once you're done with that, just click on applying to join Topta. So one thing about Topta is that Topta is actually going to take some time, like about like a day to 2 days to actually review your application. So if they see that everything actually in line, they're actually going to accept you. So you could actually just start, getting some clients right here from top as a freelancer. This is actually going to be moving up to the next website, which is actually Guru. So you could actually just head over to guru.com. So though the website actually look like old, but you could actually get like decent clients right here on this website. So all you need to do basically is to actually just create an account. So you could actually just click on the menu bar right here to actually create an account, or you could just click on this sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, you could basically just sign in with your Google account, or you could sign in with your Apple ID, or either still just like fill out your full name, fill out your email address. Then once you're done with that, just click on the proceed button. Once you click on the proceed button right here, your account is actually going to be created. So you could just set up your gigs right here. So once you set up your gig right here, you could start getting some clients right here. Guys, if you haven't liked the video yet, please, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and like I said earlier, if you want me to do a detailed video on any of the website right here, all you need to do is just go down to the comment section and tell me the website you want me to do a full video about, and I'm going to actually be creating a full video on them. So our next website right here is actually going to be Fiverr.com, and guys, this is one of the biggest freelancing platform right here in the world, because literally, a lot of people actually come to Fiverr to actually hire different kind of freelancers. So there actually a lot of clients right here. But one thing I actually just do not like about Fiverr is that the competition is actually high, because it's not easy you getting jobs on Fiverr. So in order for you to actually get jobs on Fiverr, you must be able to actually rank your gig higher. So you must actually know how to rank your gig compared to other websites that I've just like shown you earlier in the video. There are not much competition. Like a lot of people are not actually on them. But with Fiverr.com, there are a lot of people right here actually using Fiverr. So it's actually like difficult to actually get jobs, but I'm not saying it's actually impossible. You could actually like land some job right here on Fiverr if only you're actually smart. So if you're actually going to be using Fiverr, you must know how to rank your gig. So I've already like created a video about that. You could actually just check out my channel. You're going to find a video there actually explain everything you need to know about Fiverr. So all you need to do is to actually just click on the join button right here to actually join Fiverr.com. So you could actually just like sign in with your Gmail account or sign in with your Apple account. So basically it's actually simple. So once you're done signing into your account, you could actually just like set up your gig right here. Like I said, guys, if you're actually going to be joining Fiverr, do not actually set up one gig. You need to actually set up like multiple gigs, because like I said earlier, that there are a lot of competition right here on Fiverr. So it's actually going to be very, very difficult for you to actually get jobs, especially if you are a beginner that is actually watching this video. So it's actually going to be difficult, but unless if you know how to rank your gig higher right here on Fiverr. So guys, I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. Guys, if you want to know the best freelancing job that could actually make you the most amount of money, I'm going to advise you click on the video popping right here to actually go check out the best freelancing job that you could actually get started right here that could actually make you huge amounts of money. So click on the video right here, and I'm going to see you guys in the video.